Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today is day 8, which Monday means rice. And rice, last week we made tempered rice and a sweet rice. This week we will do tempered idiyappam or tempered string hoppers, and we will do a rice kheer. It is not the same rice kheer like as how others do. It is something a little different, and I hope you will enjoy it because this is my personal recipe. Before we go into the kitchen, I welcome everyone. For those who are new, welcome aboard. In your kindness, please do subscribe to my channel and like the channel and share about it. And for those who are with me for a long time, thank you very much. I appreciate your faithfulness with me. And without further delay now, let's get into the kitchen to see the part 1, which is the string hoppers. Let's go. I have pre-made this idiyappam. I have a video on my playlist. Please do check out on how to make idiyappam. And it's simple and easy, it's not that hard. And I have pre-made this and I'm going to temper them. So for the tempering, the ingredients that I'm using is 3 dried chili, 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil, and a sprig of curry leaves. So because the curry leaves I have a huge size, I'm going to chop them into half. So these are the ingredients that I need, and I don't need any salt because there is salt contained in the idiyappam when I was making it. So let's get into the kitchen without further delay. To begin this Thalicha idiyappam or tempered idiyappam or tempered string hoppers, we need to start off with 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil, and also I will add the mustard seed. This is 2 teaspoons. You can adjust accordingly how you need it. With this, let the mustard seed crack. Until then, we will wait. And dear viewers, our mustard seed has already cracked, and now we can add the dried chili. And it only takes a second to change its color. And right away, we will add the curry leaves. And as the curry leaves has already been spluttered, and now we will add the string hoppers, which has been break down, and all we do is just mix it up. And here we go, dear viewers, our string hoppers, which has been tempered, is ready. And it's so simple and easy, and this is a prasad. That's all, my dear viewers, and now we can time to scoop up. And also we can turn off the stove. Dear viewers, our Thalicha idiyappam, or we call that as a tempered string hoppers, is ready to be served. And also we come to an end of the video for part 1, and now stay tuned for the part 2.